Hello guys, I'm Lelutka. I'm a virtual world enthusiast, texture and 3D model creator, and also Second Life clothing, skins and props designer for almost 15 years, and I'm going to be your tutor throughout this class. If you ever dreamt of having your own skin brand within the Second Life metaverse, you came to the right place. In this course, we will be learning how to work around with Adobe Photoshop basic functionalities using Photoshop CC with 3D and face-aware Liquify features. We will learn how to texture projection on the 3D mesh head and preferred reference images, photo angles and lighting. We will learn how to project a full face image, pixel correction, skin tone blending and airbrushing technique. We will also learn how to blend a full face skin onto designated Store Developer kit using Velour base skin tones and texture examples. We will learn basic photo preferences, shots and vendor creating how to create basic baked-on mesh layers on the 2D UV layer to start your own store from the ground zero. And for the last part, putting your work to sell on Marketplace. The whole course was intended to use on the Evox head and shared maps, although the techniques shown might be useful to all heads on the grid or any other mesh you want to work around on Photoshop. Discover your potential artist. Start learning today. Develop your talents and pursue your professional objectives in the virtual worlds and the metaverse market.